Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problems when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot use a Google Chrome or Google Play Store on Alcatel 3T10 4G. So first let's try downloading something from a Google Play Store. Here we have a Call of Duty. If we click on install, it changes into the pending mode and stays that way forever. Now let's cancel it and we can move on to our Google Chrome. And there's also a problem with reaching Google. And now to fix this, go back to your settings and enter system. It should be somewhere at the bottom. You can find the date and time and set time automatically. If you go back to your Google Play Store and try to download the game again, it should begin normally. And the same thing with Google Chrome, we can refresh the page. And it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.